take it off where it is good for transportation. We've got these clamps. You have to clamp the chassis so it can adjust the carriage. That will allow this to rotate left and right. Alright, the whole carriage can rise up and down based on turning this knob, which turns this shaft, which pulls the cables, and that allows you to cut different heights on the log. Obviously, you want to start from the top of the log and work your way down. Alright, so adjust the saw in regards to the log. You can rotate the carriage using this wheel. When you do that, you always want to set it to 0 when you cut your slab off, and always set it back to 0 so you know how thick of a board you're cutting. So for example, you got 0, and we rotate it over to 1 inch, and that way we're cutting a 1-inch board. So we have the gang saws, the ones that cut the top and bottom of the board, and you adjust that by loosening this knob here and turning this lever, and you can see the wheel there, and that tells you where, and you're adjusting the height of that top gang saw there, and that tells you gets you the width of the board that you're cutting. All right, with the clutch still engaged off, so that's on, that's also it free rolls. You've got your throttle, your kill switch, ignition switch, choke, and that's your indicator light. So with the key on, switch on, throttle it up, pull out the choke. Turn it off, you just reverse the procedure, throttle it down, turn off the kill switch, turn off the ignition. Okay, with showing you without starting it up so you can hear, you start it up going through the same procedure, you adjust your carriage to get the width of the board that you want, you adjust your gang saws to get the height of the board that you want. Then you would disconnect the clutch and engage the drive, and that will send the saw down the way. It won't do it right, I can't push it down right now because the saw's not on. For demonstration purposes, just putting the clutch on so I can freewheel it. It rolls down, and once it gets to, finished cutting through the board, you hold the wheel here, and the string pulls a lever there, which engages reverses the direction of the saw and will bring it back to you. At full speed, adjust your carriage. We're going to simulate cutting a 1-inch board. Adjust your gang saws. Bring that down. And that should be a 6-inch board. Clutch is engaged to freewheel, master switch, choke a little bit.